Okay.
Oh my God! ये मेरे असली विवाह का पिक्चर है।
आप विवाह मूवी के बारे में सोच रहे थे क्या खुद के विवाह में?
नहीं, मगर उस दिन संडे था और विवाह मूवी चल रही थी
ओह
टीवी पे।
वाओ!
हाँ।
इतने खुश हो, आप अभी भी इतने खुश हो। अनमोल भाई has done something very right. He knows how to take care of his girl. That's what I can tell. Right?
Until Veer was born. Now I'm jealous. Now I'm jealous. I'm not the first baby anymore. I'm the first baby, but I'm still like that jealous first baby of the second
Oh,
baby.
that's fine. I
Yeah.
think both of you have like severely lucked out, and I say that as a very big compliment.
Thank you. So, I don't know if you have the full version of that photograph, but यहाँ पे जो मैंने bridal साड़ी पहनी है ना, I was very sure that I don't want any designer outfit. ये साड़ी मैंने दादर से खरीदी थी from a shop called Lazari. They're very known for, it's a very known brand for saris and, you know, like Indian wear and all. 3,000 रुपए की साड़ी थी. And I was very specific that I want this red bridal, red and gold, typical Indian bridal sari. And talking about the Konkani aspect, in Konkani, you wear something crisscross, like a white cloth. It's called khol, something like that. So my nani was very particular that, you know, she gives me a slightly golden shimmer khol. So I was very particular कि मुझे designer कोई नहीं पहनने वाला. I'm going to look like a typical Indian bride. Yeah, so that's what, and then that little bit of Nathani, I like that. That comes from a Marathi culture actually.
Mm.
That's very Maharashtrian. वो जो पहना है वो भी मुझे लगता है महाराष्ट्रन ही स्टाइल है.
Would you say that the day of the marriage is the happiest day for anyone? But especially for girls, because I think guys sometimes are lost at that marriageable age.
So you know what? Because we had a secret viva, and it was so hush hush, and you know, only like the immediate and the just the mamas and the mommies and all were there. वो मुझे थोड़ा प्रेशर था कि यार इस हॉल में कोई मुझे पहचान, कोई वेटर मुझे पहचान ना ले, कोई अभी तभी तो इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह नहीं था, वो टट्टू फ़ोन थे, बट फिर भी वो डर था कि यू नो ये कोई पिक्चर खींच ना ले या कहीं से बात स्प्रेड ना हो कि मेरी शादी हो रही है. So in that little bit of thing, I didn't really enjoy my, and I was so serious about doing the vidhis and all, and Anmol was like, "Itni serious kyun? Just enjoy, you know, just chill." I'm like, "Puja chal rahi hai, vidhi chal rahi hai. No, you have to be a little serious." So yeah, but yeah,
It's good to see you this happy.
हाँ.
You're easily one of the happiest guests I've had on the show. I'm not just saying that. 950 guests?
देखो सिंप्लिसिटी, मैं वही बोलती हूँ, कट द क्लटर. रणवीर, यू नो, डिज़ाइनर चाहिए, ये चाहिए, मैं उसने 6 लाख का गाउन पहना था तो मैं 10 लाख का गाउन पहनूंगी. You know, why? I've had so many fathers tell me that, you know, I spent 8 lakhs on my daughter's bridal lehenga and now it's lying in the wardrobe. Such a sheer waste. For what? And I feel that विवाह जो होता है ना, आपकी शादी जो होती है, वो truly इतना personal चीज़ है that factually only and only your immediate family members are happy for you in that moment. When आप जो रस्म कर रहे हो, जब आप फेरे ले रहे हो, they are the ones who are watching your expression and living your happiness. बाकी जो आते हैं, you know, वो एक्चुअली कपड़े देखने आते हैं कि किसी ने क्या पहना है, कौन क्या खा रहा है, फिर कमेंट भी करेंगे, अरे you know, ये ऐसा था, वो वैसा था. The ones who are truly happy for you are, so only call them. I had just like what, 25, 30, 35, 40 people, that's it. And the friends that really matter to you, you know. कोई इंडस्ट्री से नहीं था. Not disrespecting them, but I made sure that before the announcement comes, I message few people who matter to my career, like Ramesh Torani ji, Kumar Torani ji, Farah Khan, Suraj ji. I message them, देखो कि कल announcement आने वाली है, मेरी शादी आज हो रही है. It's, you know, it's a very close personal thing, but I want your blessings. ऐसा था.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा sorted out individual हो.
Yeah, maybe.
Very.
Maybe. I think it's a lot to do with my mom also, because she has this innate simplicity. My dad is very flamboyant. way ahead of his time, very eloquent. But I think the simplicity comes from my mom. She has worked for 25 years herself with the Mafatlals. She took voluntary retirement and then started managing my career. She was with me all the time in this journey. She's seen the world. But if you meet her, very simple.
You know, there's a quote that is very deep,
Hmm.
and on the surface, it almost sounds negative, but it's not negative.
Hmm.
Okay. The quote says that every girl eventually becomes her mother,
Ah.
and every boy always tries not to become his father, but then he becomes his father.
Oh, jeez. Yeah. They also start looking like their mother. So if you want to know how your to-be wife will look after a couple of years,
See
look
the
at her
mom?
mother closely. ये भी बोला जाता है.
Do you think every girl becomes the mother?
Yeah. Somewhere. It definitely rubs off you. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. Probably it's because they're your first teachers in life.
Hmm.
You know, when your memory is also not forming, you're just picking up psychological things.
No, I'm glad I picked up that simplicity from her, because if I had picked up that flamboyance from my dad, I would have perhaps been little different in nature. This works for me. This has actually worked in my favor, I feel. Being simple, being real, no facade. And that's worked in my choices as well. Biggest of offers came. I knew what I wanted to do on screen. Biggest of offers came.